How to change TikTok username without waiting 30 days. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your TikTok name without waiting for 30 days within changing at once. Now, as you know, TikTok doesn't allow you to change your username twice within 30 days. If you just change your TikTok username, you'll need to wait again for 30 days. However, today I'll guide you on how you can change your TikTok username twice within 30 days. Now, if you open up the app and head onto your profile, now tap on edit profile, and if you tap on username here, you'll be able to change it right here. However, you can see you can change your username once every 30 days right here. Now, if you just change your username and it asks you to wait for 30 days, what you want to do is head over to your settings. Now, you can head over to your phone settings, and once you head over to your settings, simply scroll down and head into time and date. But what you can do is simply search for time and date. You can see date and time popping up, and then head into date and time, and first thing you want to do is toggle off this automatic date and time option. Now once you do this, you want to set your date, tap on it, and you want to set your date to 30 days later. Now you can say it's May 2023 15. Now what I want to do is head over to May June. I'll just head to June 16, and then 1 month time will be completed. And once you change it, what you want to do is head back to your TikTok, and 30 days time limit will be crossed, and then you can simply head over to your profile and then change your username. So this way you can change TikTok username twice within 30 days. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.